everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I have a really quick no-sew project for you. It's making a placemat, table runner, and a drink coaster. Okay, let's get started. The fabric that I'm using in this is called Platitudes. It is from Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and it is perfect for doing this because it is so easy to pull out and make your fringe. So make sure whatever fabric you buy, you can easily pull out the threads. You'll cut your drink coaster 5 inches square. You cut your placemat 18 by 20, and then you can cut your table runner any length and any width that you like. So I'm going to show you how all of them are done the same way. So here's my coaster fabric. I've already taken some fringe and made fringe here. So now I'm going to go to the opposite side and do that. And all you need to do is take a straight pin to pull the fabric out at the corner, and then you just pull it out. And you keep doing that until you get about a 1/2 inch. So for the drink coaster and the placemat, I usually just pull out a 1/2 inch worth of threads. And then for the table runner, you can do 1/2 inch to 1 inch. After you've done 2 opposite edges, then you just go over here and start doing it again, pulling the threads out. And you go to both opposite edges. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Here is the placemat, and here is the table runner. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick no-sew project. Now I have many other table runners, placemat, coasters, all kinds of things for table linens. So there will be a few playlists down below that you can scroll through and review those video tutorials. I also have sewing tips of the week every week, so make sure you check out that playlist. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.